Subject name: Usability Design of Software Applications. Final year, 7th semester, 2nd unit, Heuristic Principles. So this is the first principle called Visibility of System Status. Users should be continuously informed of system status through feedback within reasonable time. This principle ensures that users are aware of what is happening, reducing uncertainty and anxiety. For example, a loading spinner or progress bar indicating the progress of the file upload. This is the second method of heuristic principles: match between system and the real world. The system should speak the user's language with words, phrases, and concepts familiar to the user rather than system-oriented terms. This principle ensures that the system is intuitive and easily understandable. For example, using shipping cart instead of temporarily holding area for selected items. This is the third method of heuristic principles: user control and freedom. Users often choose system functions by mistake and will need a clearly marked emergency exit to leave the unwanted state without having to go through an extended dialog. This principle empowers users and reduces frustration. For example, an undo button in a text editor or a cancel button during the multi-step form process. So this is a fourth method: consistency and standards. Users should not have to wonder whether different words, situations, or actions mean the same thing. This principle ensures that consistency and familiarity are maintained throughout the system. For example, using a trash can icon universally to indicate deletion of an item. Heuristic principles, fifth method: error prevention. Aim to prevent errors by helping users recognize, diagnose, and recover from errors. This principle focuses on designing a system that minimizes the possibility of user errors and provides clear error message. For example, disabling the submit button until all record fields in the form are filled out correctly. Sixth method of heuristic principles: recognition rather than recall. The importance of making information and actions visible and available in the interface rather than requiring the user to remember them. This heuristic aims to create an interface that is more intuitive and easy to use by reducing cognitive load and memory demands on the user. For example, autofill suggestions in the search bar or form fields. Seventh heuristic principles: flexibility and efficiency of use. The goal is to create an interface that can be used in varied ways, depending on the user's experience level, needs, and preferences, making it more flexible and efficient. For example, keyboard shortcuts from common actions in software applications. Eighth heuristic principles: aesthetic and minimalist design. To create an elegant and functional interface that is not cluttered with unnecessary design elements, these interfaces are easy to navigate and help users focus on the primary task at hand. For example, the Google search engine is a great example. This is the ninth one: recognize, diagnose, and recover errors. The goal is to help users recognize when an error occurs, diagnose what went wrong, and provide options for recovering from the error. For example, a clear error message that tells the user password must be at least 8 characters long when they try to set a too short password. The 10th one: help and documentation. Provide users with adequate help and documentation to assist them if when they encounter issues while using your interface. For example, a searchable online help center with FAQ, that is frequent asked questions, and step-by-step guidelines. Thank you.